And the parliamentary opposition is still taking issue with the ongoing SOEs, arguing that the government is luxuriating failure. The arguments for and against at the most recent sitting of the Senate. Government senators again defending the need to extend the SOEs, arguing that space is needed for the security forces to curtail gangs and other violence producers.
The states of public emergency in these parishes continue to be necessary, as the conditions underlying the emergency still exist.
If you need emergency measures, you extend those measures for as long as the emergency lasts.
But opposition Senator K.D. Knight is having a difficulty, pointing out that states of emergency have been ongoing since 2018.
If progress has been made, then, for example, murders in 2019 should be less than 2018. That's a logical conclusion. If we luxuriate in failure and then comfortably define it as success, then we're going to have a problem.
His colleague Lambert Brown shared a similar view. Senator Brown argued that despite the SOEs, there were over 1,330 reported murders in 2019, which was an increase over 2018. He also went into the archives, talking about the Prime Minister's promise of Jamaicans being able to sleep with their windows and doors open when the JLP forms the government.
He's now changing that to say that was aspiration. I am now promising you that this will be done in a decade. And so he wants 5 and 7 years of more states of emergencies to bring that crime rate down. Can we trust the Prime Minister now, given the false promise, the broken promise of 2016?